Priyanka Chopra looks glamorous in a red satin gown as she packs on the PDA with husband Nick Jonas at the premiere of her spy series Citadel. Priyanka Chopra looked effortlessly glamorous as she stepped out with her husband Nick Jonas at the premiere of her new spy series Citadel on Tuesday. The actress cut an elegant figure as she packed on the PDA with Nick while celebrating the upcoming release of her Amazon Prime Video series. Priyanka is starring in the leading role alongside Richard Madden in the thriller series, which sees the spies team up to tackle a global threat. Stepping out for the premiere at London's Theatre Royal, Priyanka made sure all eyes were on her as she stunned in an off-the-shoulder red satin gown. She showed off her incredible figure in the vibrant ensemble and let her outfit do all the talking as she kept her accessories minimal. The former Bollywood star accentuated her striking features with a smoky eye makeup palette and a bold slick of rouge lipstick. She styled her brunette tresses loosely in a straight fashion as she posed up a storm on the red carpet. Subscribe to our channel for the latest on your favorite celebrities. Like, comment and share, and don't forget to press the bell icon for notifications.